after decades of working, you've probably built a solid nest egg in your 401k, IRAs, or brokerage accounts. That's a huge accomplishment. But here's the real challenge. Once the paycheck from work stops, how do you turn those savings into a steady, reliable income stream that lasts for the rest of your life? This is one of the biggest concerns I hear from clients. They'll say, I've done a good job saving, but I'm terrified of spending. What if I outlive my money? And the truth is that fear is valid. Retirement income planning is very different from saving and investing while you're working. So today, I want to walk you through 3 common strategies for creating a retirement paycheck. And by the end, you'll see that it's not about finding the perfect answer, it's about finding the right mix for your lifestyle, taxes, and goals. Strategy 1: the systematic withdrawal method. You've probably heard of the 4% rule. The idea is that you withdraw 4% of your portfolio in the first year of retirement and then increase that withdrawal each year by inflation. Historically, this approach worked in most scenarios over a 30-year retirement. But here's the issue. The 4% rule was designed in the 1990s when bond yields were much higher. Today, we live in a different interest rate and market environment. Some research says 3.5% might be more conservative. Others say a flexible withdrawal rate where you adjust your spending in down markets works better. The key takeaway: the 4% rule is a starting point, not a guarantee. It gives you a ballpark number, but you'll want to stress test it against different market conditions. Strategy 2: the bucket strategy. This one is very popular with retirees because it's simple to visualize. Imagine dividing your retirement money into 3 buckets. Bucket 1 is for cash and very safe investments. This covers the next 1 to 3 years of living expenses. Think checking, savings, or money markets. Bucket 2 is for bonds or fixed income. This is your medium term bucket, designed to cover up to 10 years of retirement. And bucket 3 is for stocks or growth investments. This is your long-term bucket designed to grow and replenish the other buckets over decades. The benefit of this approach is psychological. When markets are down, you're not panicking about your stock portfolio because your cash and bonds cover the next several years of spending. That buffer helps retirees stay invested for the long run. Strategy 3: the income floor. This strategy starts with your essential expenses: housing, food, healthcare, insurance, etc. For those baseline needs, you want income sources that are reliable and don't depend on the stock market. That includes Social Security, pensions, and in some cases, annuities or rental income. Then, for your discretionary expenses, things like travel, hobbies, or helping kids and grandkids, you rely on your investment portfolio. The idea is your needs are always covered by guaranteed income and your wants are flexible based on market performance. Bringing it all together. In reality, most retirees don't just pick one strategy, they combine them. For example, you might use a bucket system to organize your accounts while also making sure your essential expenses are covered by guaranteed income. And here's one more piece that people often overlook: taxes. It's not just about how much you withdraw, but which accounts you withdraw from first. The wrong sequence can quietly cost you thousands. We'll cover that in a future video. So here's the takeaway. Retirement income isn't about chasing the highest return. It's about creating predictability, reducing stress, and making sure your money lasts as long as you do. If you're thinking about how to turn your savings into income, take your time. This isn't a one time decision, it's an ongoing plan that should adjust as markets and your life change. And if you'd like more resources on building your retirement paycheck, you can find them at wealthwiser.com. Remember, everyone's situation is unique. What I've shared here is general education, not specific advice. If you'd like guidance tailored to your circumstances, talk to a qualified financial planner.